Hi, I am Shradha Shetty from first year CSC from Srinivas Institute of Technology. So here my topic is the sound machines for bus. The sound machines for bus means implementing a button for passenger to activate a sound machines when the passenger arrive at their station. So here is the diagrammatic representation of the sound machines and how it works. So let's see how it works. So there is a stop button in front of all passenger seat, and a bulb is located in front of the driver seat also. When the passenger click that button, the sound machine produces the sound. So at the same time, a bulb located in front of the driver seat will also glow. So both the driver and the conductor know that the passenger stop has arrived, and this machine help the passenger as well as the conductor when the bus crowded with many people. So the advantage of this machine is when the bus is crowded with many people, it is difficult for the conductor to detect whether the passenger stop has arrived. So this machine benefit the passenger, conductor and driver, all of them. So it helped the driver to stop the bus also. So this way the sound machines will work. So thank you.